That's just forming bad habits that I don't want in the long run in my trading journey. I want to succeed in this game, so I'm going to follow my plan that is ultimately will set me up for success. Got to get used to taking a risk or losing a chance. We'll be back and get that money back. Up a little Rakuten before 10 a.m. Let's do it. Risking 150 to make 1100, bro, I'll do that any day. What's good, YouTube? On the phone. This how we starting the vlog off early in the morning. Not too early. It's 9:06. We're gonna head back to the crib and get on the trust with y'all boys. So I'm gonna chop it up with y'all when I get back to this spot. Alright, YouTube. So as y'all can see, we caught the shorts on US 30. Currently at a little bit over TP1. Floating here, see if we can get a nice push and, you know, smack out for the day. Walk away green. Let's see what happens. All right, so I'm currently break even in the position, but I banged out my push-ups. I looked up and we was up in a trade. I do got the recording live for y'all. I'm gonna put some clips of it after this clip here. I ain't gonna lie to you, I wanted shorts off at this level here. I just didn't have a gap to play off of. And it kind of left without me, so I'm gonna wait till around 10:30 to make my next move, probably. Ideally, what I would have been looking for, and it's like real tight, like it's like a real small, tiny gap. But if it would have ran it, it would be more of a confluence than just getting in on faith. This is really the only move I can make sense of getting in. We're gonna see how it looks. First trade idea of the day, getting all shorts on imbalance fill. We're gonna balance these push-ups, probably. Let that joint doing that. Just bung out my push-ups. Just bang out my push-ups. Came back. Next push-up. Let's go. Let's do it. And now I'm actually gonna go break even with my stop loss. Just like that, got stopped out break even right before it almost hit TP2. It's all good. A W trade idea. Just probably should have gotten higher rather lower than where I entered. I did wait a little bit. Gotta get used to taking a risk or losing a chance. I made like $13 right there. But yeah, we'll be back and get that money back. All right, y'all boys, so we got stopped out break even. As y'all seen previously, I'm just gonna let this be the end of the segment of this little short video. And this is gonna be a little trade recap. It was a good idea. Imbalance got filled. I hopped in when I felt most confident. I probably should have risked 30 points given the conditions of the choppy market. Price should have went in my favor and tapped me out at TP3. I hopped in on sales and it stopped me out and eventually dropped. You see that big ass red candle? That's the shorts that I was looking for that eventually did play out. I was looking for the shorts. It wasn't generally a picture perfect setup. Had good momentum. It just didn't hold before retesting and then dropping lower. Could have took profit, but that's just forming bad habits that I don't want in the long run in my trading journey. I want to succeed in this game, so I'm going to follow my plan that is ultimately will set me up for success. It's been a little streak of losses and then a break even day, which is a W in my book. So it's my first win in like 2 weeks, so I'll take it. Up a little Rakuten before 10 a.m. Let's do to it. Trade still going on. I'm trying to scale out of it. Might just close at 1,300. Call it a day. I ain't gonna lie. I cut my risk size to 150 for this trade. Low-key regret it, but then again, not really. I was really going to risk 300 like my usual risk, but I cut it to 150. Took the sales from Asian session high being ran after this imbalance was filled. Price was right here before 9:30. Came up here, fluctuated right here. I stayed patient. Price came, ran these highs. On the way back down, I hopped in right here, risking 150 with a 30-point stop. Price almost went back up, I ain't gonna lie. Then it just plummeted, I ain't gonna lie, but it took like a whole hour. I got it on like a 1 to 7. Risking 150 to make 1,100, bro, I'll do that any day. It's only up from here, still on the road to payout. That makes 5 trading days, 3 more trading days, and I can request a payout. 3 more trading days and I can request a payout. Appreciate y'all boys for rocking with me through this video. Y'all stay to the end. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all boys in the next one.